In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Qatar Airways promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Qatar Airways promo code. Right here, go to this website, and as you can see, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with up to 20% off on bookings, all you need to do is select right here the discount code, and you can copy this promo code and apply this one on your next purchase in order to get this discount right here. Also, going back to our main search, we have this website which is called Retail Me Not, and right here we also have a list with promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this 125% of your next order, all you need to do is select show code right here, and you can copy the promo code and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.